I'm just driving back in. My family's already here. I had to go get the pizza.
Crazy eyes.
What? Hey, eat.
How you doing, pal? I got your pizza for you just the way you like it.
Oh, yes. French fries and Oreos. You know me all too well, Deeds.
Hey guys, what's going on? So, not only are we here at the Potato Creek State Park, not only are we here at Potato Creek State Park building an epic water feature at their nature center, but we are also staying at Potato Creek State Park because they got these awesome cabins. They got a campground here. They were nice enough to give us 2 of them for 2 weeks. I let the guys stay in the cabins for the first week while we got things situated on the job site and all that kind of stuff. So this week, I'm just now driving back in. Oh, look, the lake. There's the lake. But I'm just driving back in. My family's already here. I had to go get the pizza. For the night. So we went and got pizza, and we are all moved into the cabins for the week. They got trails, they got kayaks, they got canoes, they got fishing, they got a beach, they got a really big beach out there, tons of people out there. They got nature preserve, they've got hunting here. You're actually able to rent the cabins during the winter time and go hunting. They've got guided trails, they've got a midnight hike, which me and my wife are gonna try and go on this week. I think it's on Wednesday. Show up at 10 p.m., go out on a hike with everybody, and you get done right about midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna try and do that, but all kinds of stuff going on here at Potato Creek State Park. It's not just a park that you show up to and you're all by yourself and secluded and all that kind of stuff. You can be secluded if you want to, it's 100% up to you. But they got all kinds of programs here. They got all kinds of stuff. So, well, I'm just pulling into the campground. Let me go ahead and flip you guys around and I'll show you. So, we are cabin number 12. Yep, cabin number 12. And here's the campground. So all we're doing, just coming right over here, stopping and showing our key thing. So, gotta stop. Gotta show the cabin key. Sorry, I just dropped it.
Dude, you dropped this. Dude. Hello? Hello? Where are you? Get out of your car, man. Yeah, get out of your car. Bro, get out of your... Hey! Pull over!
I did not mean to do that. So we gotta show our cabin key, driving around here. As guys said, first road on the right, campground's a little bit further that way. They've also got like a youth tent area, so that way kids can go out there and they can camp by tent, all that kind of stuff. They've got a general store here, so if you're missing anything from home, I went in there a couple times. They've literally got everything you could possibly need while you're staying here at Potato Creek State Park. Here we are, flipping around. All kinds of people already staying out here. Oh, we full. Go ahead and turn the other side on, Aiden. Hurry up. Like, run. I'll go turn the hose off. Not that one! Well, at least we know where the low spot. What do you guys think?
Oh my god. Stunning. Stunning. I want to cry, Chris. This is so beautiful.
Yep. There's this bigger rock right here. Huh? I don't think I need that big of a rock. It's not like crushing it, setting on it. It's just touching it. And what'll end up happening is this pipe is going to vibrate as the pump is pumping water up. So it's going to vibrate. It's going to move very subtly. And if it's up against a solid object, what'll end up happening is it'll end up rubbing a hole over 10 years. 20 years, 30 years, they'll end up rubbing a hole right through that pipe and we'll have a leak. So what we want to do is we want to take this rock and just kind of set it into underneath here to the berm and just kind of lift this up just a little bit. I mean, we need half an inch of clearance, if that.